Oh yeah, the binomial theorem, one of the worst things in AP Precalculus. You got to learn it though, because chances are you'll see like one random problem on the AP test that asks you to do something like this. So this is a two-step process. Step number one is you need to draw out what's called Pascal's triangle and go to as many levels as this tells you to do. Okay, now the first level of Pascal's triangle is a number one. Okay, and technically, even though I called it the first level, this has to do if your degree is 0. The second level is going to be 1 and 1, and that has to do when your degree is 1. Okay, now the way you work with Pascal's triangle is don't memorize anything after this. Okay, whatever numbers at the end are always going to be 1, and whatever numbers in between are always going to be the sum of these guys here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, drop down the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Drop down a 1. Drop down a 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. Drop down a 1. Now I'm done because this is degree 2, this is degree 3, and this is degree 4, which is what I want. Now, this gives me the coefficients for when I multiply this out. This does not give me any answer. This just helps me figure it out. Now, the rule says if I have something like a plus b to the fourth, I use these numbers and I do 1a to the fourth plus 4. And then you work your way down with the a's and work your way up with the b's. So a to the third, b to the first, plus 6. A squared, b squared, plus 4. A to the first, b to the third, plus 1, b to the fourth. Now that looks pretty sloppy, but let me do it again with these actual values here that I'm supposed to use. U would be my A and U would be my B. So the way that I actually set it up is I say 1 times 3x to the fourth plus 4 times 3x cubed times B, which is negative 2 to the invisible first, plus 6 times a squared, which is 3x squared, times negative 2 squared, because it's b squared, plus 4 times a, which is 3x to the invisible first, times b, which is negative 2 to the fourth. I just ran out of room. Plus 1 b to the fourth, which is negative 2 to the fourth. And then you simplify that guy, which I don't need near as much space for. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81, and 81 times 1 is 81, so 81x to the fourth, plus 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, 27 times 4 is 108, 108 times negative 2 is negative 216, so let me get rid of that plus sign and make it minus 216. X to the third, plus 3 times 3 is 9, times 6 is 52, 52 times, 54, sorry. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 6 is 54. Negative 2 squared is 4, and 54 is 218, 16, 216 x squared. That's supposed to be negative 2 to the third, so if I miswrote that, let me fix that right here. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 12 is negative 96, so negative 96 regular x. And then negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is just 16. So again, very easy to make little calculation errors like I did over here. Very easy to expect that you have enough space and you don't, like I thought I did. But that's how you do it. Not pretty, not easy. You'll probably have to do one on the AP exam, so I hope this helps.